Hi, welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to be turning steel on the RapidTurn on my Tormach PCNC 1100. I'm using a carbide insert with a really small radius end. I think it might be an ISCAR. And as you can see in this shot, I'm not taking a whole lot of material off in every pass. I spent a lot of time working on this and broke a lot of cutters, stalled the machine, had plenty of problems. I'm not completely sure that I understand what the root cause of the problem is, but I eventually ended up with a formula that worked and allowed me to get my parts made for today. I think in the future I'm going to really have to look at this and figure out what's really going on. The part is being turned at 1100 RPM, and that's max RPM. The Tormach RapidTurn adjusts RPM based on its own whatever secret algorithm. It's 4/1000ths of an inch per revolution advance and a 40/1000ths depth of cut. Chip control is excellent. There's no stringy chips, chip breaking is working well, all the chips fall to the surface. I'm not exactly sure why I can't go faster. I think I probably have a little more to learn about how this machine works, but when I tried more aggressive depth of cut or more aggressive feed, the machine stalled and usually broke the insert. I think I broke about 4 inserts in the process of figuring this out. It is a belt drive machine, and I suspected that maybe the belt wasn't tightened enough, but when I checked it, it appeared to be perfectly tight and correct. And just to be sure, I gave it a little extra oomph. Even though this appears really slow, and a more capable machine would accomplish this a lot quicker, for me it isn't much of a problem. While the machine is operating unattended slowly, I can take the previous part to my manual lathe for the secondary operations of drilling and tapping holes in the end. I suspect that as I learn to use the RapidTurn a little better, I may be able to combine the drilling and tapping into the same machine cycle, but at the moment, drilling and tapping of both ends is a secondary operation. Even though the machine is working painfully slowly, the surface finish is excellent, and the chip control is excellent. But it seems to take forever to get the diameter down to the right size. Oh well, maybe someday I'll get a really powerful CNC lathe that can do this a lot quicker. Overall, the experience with the RapidTurn has been positive. It works better than I had feared, and not quite as good as I hoped for. But maybe that's just my inexperience. After the production run for my glassworking machine, the NQALHA, is finished, I might have a little bit of leisure time to explore optimizing and kind of figure out why the machine stalls and breaks tools when I try a more aggressive cut. Okay, here comes the finish cut. I think we're almost done now. If I wasn't doing video, I'd be in the other area of the shop on the manual lathe, drilling and tapping holes in the end, or over at the chop saw, cutting the next blank. And there's our part. I checked the fit with a bronze bushing. It's within 1,000th or so. I'm happy.